The collapse of FTX has sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency.
Breaking news on collapsed crypto exchange FTX.
FTX faces bankruptcy.
On the collapse of crypto exchange FTX.
Filing, quote, never in my career have I seen such a complete failure.
FTX burst onto the crypto scene in 2019, aiming to make cryptocurrency trading more accessible. Within a few short years, it grew into one of the largest crypto exchanges worldwide under the leadership of founder Sam Bankman-Fried, also known as SBF. However, in November 2022, FTX collapsed in spectacular fashion amid liquidity issues, leaving customers unable to access billions in funds. Join us as we use Deep Search Labs to conduct a chronological analysis of the events that transpired in 2022, which ultimately contributed to FTX's decline. At the start of the year, FTX was riding a wave of success, praised for its user-friendly interface and responsiveness. It had established itself as a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, gaining a significant user base. Its rise was attributed to competitive trading features, innovative products, and strategic partnerships. It was often seen as a formidable challenger to Binance, the crypto exchange giant. FTX was also conducting various initiatives, including hosting token sales, launching a venture fund worth $2 billion to invest in crypto startups, and sponsoring events like Shaq's Funhouse. In February, FTX made significant moves in the crypto space. They launched signals on their app, bought 100,000 tons of carbon offsets for sustainability, partnered with Coachella for NFTs, entered the Japanese market via an acquisition, and facilitated crypto trading on StockTwits. This showcased FTX's diverse involvement in NFTs, sustainability, global expansion, and strategic collaborations. In March, FTX launched the FTX Future Fund, a philanthropic endeavor earmarking a substantial budget ranging from $100 million to $1 billion for the year. In addition, they extended their services to allow U.S. users to perform USDC transfers with Avalanche C-Chain. Simultaneously, FTX gained increasing recognition within the cryptocurrency landscape while actively supporting AI-related projects. In April, FTX offered users the convenience of their app, known as FTX App, for claiming festival wristband benefits and as a platform for voting support for projects like Origin Trail. The exchange also made strides in the integration of Thorchain, showcasing its commitment to innovation. However, FTX started facing suspicions and concerns, with references to it being associated with manipulative practices. The company's global presence continued to grow in May with events in Nigeria, and sponsorship of different events. Additionally, in an interview, SBF discussed potential campaign donations for the 2024 U.S. presidential election. FTX also ventured into the U.S. stock trading market, offering zero fees, and its CEO, SBF, acquired a stake in Robinhood. They also enhanced market surveillance by partnering with Solidus Labs. Amid these achievements, discussions around price manipulation underscored ongoing challenges in the cryptocurrency market. There were also concerns raised about the manipulation of Luna's price on exchanges. June witnessed FTX's growing influence through partnerships, trading volumes, and strategic discussions. FTX expanded its partnerships, including a notable one with Shaquille O'Neal, broadening its financial offerings. Reports hinted at discussions between FTX and Goldman Sachs regarding crypto derivatives. Recognizing the importance of regulation, FTX appointed its inaugural in-house U.S. government lobbyist. Despite these achievements, some individuals shared negative experiences with FTX and expressed their preference for other exchanges like Binance. There were rumors and negative sentiment surrounding FTX, including claims of arrests and money transfers to FTX. However, these rumors were not confirmed. In July, FTX set its sights on enabling individual investors to use its derivatives for leveraged Bitcoin bets, showing an appetite for innovation. However, FTX execution was criticized, and concerns were raised about the platform's practices and liquidity. There were also claims that other platforms have better user experience compared to FTX. There was also mentions of 2 months of survival predictions for various platforms and entities, including FTX App. In August, FTX strengthened its presence in the blockchain world as SBF joined Chainlink's SmartCon roster, signifying a significant collaboration. FTX's commitment to enhancing user experiences was evident through efforts to address Euro and USD book fungibility, prioritizing user-centric improvements. To engage its community effectively, FTX conducted giveaways, promotions, and introduced the FTX Brand Ambassador Program, emphasizing its proactive role in shaping the cryptocurrency industry and enriching user experiences. However, there were still concerns around platforms' liquidity and potential issues with trading. September was a challenging month for FTX. Technical issues involving stop-limit triggers and open orders raised concerns among users. The company was also mentioned in relation to scams, freezing accounts, and issues with order execution and liquidity. Despite some challenges, FTX revealed plans to raise up to $1 billion in capital, valuing the company at $32 billion. In October, FTX listed the Moon token on the Ethereum blockchain, emphasizing its commitment to supporting diverse cryptocurrencies. Reports of compromised user accounts led to questions about FTX's security measures and compensation to phishing victims. Amid all this, the cryptocurrency market faced significant liquidations, drawing the attention of traditional finance players. There were also mentions of FTX being a scam project and calls for action to block their funds and expose their creators. In November, FTX encountered a significant collapse. Allegations of misconduct, such as money laundering, freezing accounts, and misusing client funds, began to gain widespread attention on social media. Political dimensions also emerged, with policymakers, including the White House, potentially contemplating crypto regulations, drawing attention to SBF's political contributions and connections. Various influencers and political figures, such as Representative Jake Auchincloss, Taylor Swift, Maxine Waters, and Joe Biden, were drawn into discussions about FTX's controversies. Sam Bankman-Fried faced accusations and was asked to come clean. Sources hinted at a connection between Alameda Research and FTX, causing some confusion regarding their relationship. Additionally, there were questions raised about FTX's legal compliance, suggesting that regulators like the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, warned about potential unauthorized services. As the year drew to a close, FTX faced its most severe crisis. Accusations mounted, suggesting that FTX's collapse was not a mere accident but a deliberate crime. The arrest of SBF in the Bahamas added fuel to the fire, with some celebrating and others questioning the involvement of political figures like Representative Maxine Waters. The year 2022 witnessed the remarkable rise and eventual fall of FTX. From a rising star in the crypto exchange sphere, it faced a relentless barrage of controversies, technical challenges, and regulatory scrutiny. While the full extent of these events is yet to be determined, they serve as a stark reminder of the volatile and unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency industry. It is noteworthy that with Deep Search Labs' search engine, we were able to reveal that the concerns around FTX were initially raised in April 2022, which is indicative of the fascinating performance of this powerful search engine. Follow the link in the description for the full report on FTX in 2022. Have an unbiased view, see the bigger picture,